Tired of tiny invaders marching through your home? Discover how to banish ants safely and naturally with these easy DIY solutions. Let's face it, ants are persistent. But don't worry, you're not alone. Identifying the type of ant you're dealing with is the first step. Common home invaders include pavement ants, sugar ants, and carpenter ants. Knowing your enemy helps you choose the right strategy. We'll empower you with the knowledge to tackle any ant issue. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, especially when it comes to ants. Start with a clean home. Wipe up spills immediately, wash dishes promptly, and store food in airtight containers. These simple habits make a huge difference. Remember, a tidy home is an ant-free home. Seal those sneaky entry points. Caulk cracks in walls and floors, repair window screens, and fill any gaps where ants might be sneaking in. Think of it as building a fortress against unwanted guests. A little effort now saves you big headaches later. Don't forget the great outdoors. Remove standing water, keep your yard tidy, and create a buffer between your home and vegetation. By eliminating outdoor attractions, you're sending a clear message: ants, this isn't the place for you. Harness the power of nature to repel ants. Vinegar is a fantastic, all-natural option. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and target those ant trails. Essential oils like peppermint, tea tree, and citrus are also great deterrents. They smell wonderful to us but are a big turnoff for ants. Sprinkle natural deterrents like salt, baby powder, or cinnamon in areas where ants enter. Citrus peels and coffee grounds also work wonders. These simple solutions are safe for your family and pets while keeping ants at bay. It's a win-win. Sometimes, you need to bring out the big guns, the natural ones, of course. Borax-based traps are effective, but use them with caution around children and pets. Mix borax with sugar and water to create a sweet, irresistible poison. Place cotton balls soaked in the solution where ants are present. Baking soda and sugar is another great option. The sugar attracts the ants, while the baking soda disrupts their digestive system. Diatomaceous earth, DE, is a non-toxic powder that dries out insects. Sprinkle it around areas where you see ants. Remember to avoid breathing it in. Soapy water is a simple yet effective killer. Mix water with dish soap and spray directly on ants. Wipe up the dead ants and spray the area again to remove pheromone trails. It's a quick and easy way to eliminate ants on the spot. Remember, persistence is key. You may need to try different methods to find what works best for your specific ant problem. Clean areas where ants have been with soap or vinegar to remove their scent trails. If you're unable to control the ant problem on your own, don't hesitate to contact a pest control professional. Ready to reclaim your home from unwanted ant guests? Start by implementing these simple DIY solutions today. Share this guide with your fellow homeowners, gardeners, and eco-conscious friends. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural home solutions. Leave a comment below sharing your own ant-fighting experiences. Let's create a community of empowered homeowners, one ant-free home at a time.